3 pounds of sweet potato from a $1 slip. The vines smother weeds for you. 0 watering after week 2. Set and forget.
Each plant tested for 1 full season. 1 year of 0 pampering. Some I literally forgot existed. All 5 thrived. Here's why.
Plant 1, mint. Plant once. Walk away forever. Warning, mint will try to conquer your entire yard. Use a container. 0 hours per week. Rain only. Part shade is fine. Comes back every spring. The most beginner-proof herb on earth. Plant 2, garlic. Push a clove into the ground in October. Forget it. Dig up a whole bulb the following July. Magic. 9 months underground. 0 watering. 0 fertilizing. 0 weeding if you mulched it. $8 of cloves becomes 30 bulbs.
Plants want to grow. Most beginners think they're fighting the plant. You're not. You're getting in its way. Step back. Plant.
Every plant on this list has spent millions of years learning to survive without help. The 5 hardest plants to kill already know how.
Plant 3, sweet potato. Plant 1 slip in May. Vines spread, choke out weeds. Dig up 3 pounds of tubers in October. Plant
3 pounds of sweet potato from a $1 slip. The vines smother weeds for you. 0 watering after week 2. Set and forget.
Mint, garlic, sweet potato slips, asparagus crowns, sunchoke tubers, all from True Leaf Market. Code GROWLAB20. One link, 20% off.
Plant 4, asparagus. Plant crowns once, wait 2 years, then harvest fresh spears every spring for the next 20 years.
2 years of patience, 20 years of harvest. Best garden trade nobody talks about. Plant once, eat free spears forever. Plant 5, sunchokes. Looks like a sunflower. Grows tubers underground like a potato. Tastes like a water chestnut. Won't ever die. Notice anything? All 5 are perennials. All 5 are ancient. All 5 evolved to survive without humans. That's the whole secret.
Screenshot this. Plant 1 this season. Plant another next. In 3 years, you'll have a backyard that feeds itself. Forever.
Perennials and I, we have an old agreement. I feed them through the winter. They feed me back. You just have to let us work.
Next Friday, I tested 6 composting methods. The winner shocked me. Subscribe and go watch the kitchen lettuce test. Link below. Next.